Okay, guys, I just want to explain this graph. It's like a shortcut to understand what signs you should end up with. Um, let's remember that we're always going to start with this format: ax squared plus or minus bx um, plus c or minus c. So when this last term is positive, you are going to have the same sign inside the parentheses. So plus and plus or minus and minus. How do you know if it's plus and plus or minus and minus? Well, this second term is going to tell you what sign goes inside the parentheses. And the reason why is because when you FOIL and you combine like terms, a positive plus a positive is going to give you a positive. A negative plus a negative is going to give you a negative. So this tells you if they are the same sign inside the parentheses, and this tells you what sign they are. What sign should be inside the parentheses. Okay. And then let's look at when it's negative. That means that inside the parentheses should be two different signs. Okay. When C is negative, inside the parentheses, you should have different signs. And then this sign tells you what the bigger number should be. So if you have 2 and 3, then 3 is your bigger number, and it should be positive because this sign is positive. And same here. So don't worry about it. As you practice, you'll see that pattern. You'll notice that if this is positive, you end up with two of the same sign, and when this is negative, you end up with different signs. And you can always double check your work by just combining like terms and see if you end up with the right sign. So don't worry. But I just wanted to explain this slide because it is like too much going on.